2 sekunder. Måske 2 sekunder. Der var også i Grønland. Og det er jo så et af de synlige byer. Og vi holder også her i eftermiddag et borgermøde nu, hvor vi også kommer til at fortælle.
I think what we are going through is something that we have never been through before. So of course the new normal is very new to us, and have the feeling of that you are not standing alone is very, very important for the Greenlandic people. So that's why we are here, also to show how thankful we are. And the situation demands that you know how to protect Arctic. That's why we also do all these exercises. If you do it in the Arctic and if you do it in a place that is not Arctic, it's completely different.